Ubak Prestun Tensong usembut Menteri Rangba ubadai pej īakynad Kampok Ying District Council Affairs nalor kiwei pat kitanat ke Sorkar Jylla habakran sikilat pathai kubor hagajan miet jong kasitarik unailar araja arpusan ulaong. Baka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC kam shym ladai ban hiar jurip ha ke jaka īakynad put khlem dependable sya ke Sorkar Jylla. Ulapen pau baka KHADC kala jurip ya ke jaka harani kabahap ha ke jaka īakynad put kaba ompat shym la jurip da ke regional committee bat benrap ke jialang kalong ban pensisya ya ke jaka la kate ke jaka kadai jong ke hima jirang ni soyong leadership. Ulaong baka Sorkar namar ke jingting yomi ke huri hura kumta kala penjari da ke kendon shispa sau pusau CRPC ha kate ke jaka. Hakawai pat kalyang ulaong baka jaya kren penbet put bat ke Assam ka yat chakmat bat ki jaya kren ki telun hapadang ki deputy commissioner ki SP ban penne ya ke songsuk songsngan. Kumban syukrau ba uwe nong hikai school uno resort timung ula syakem bat syak bom jengem haki bor pulet forest jong ke Assam haka laipau tarik unai tung arajar arpusan.
Well, yes, I think yes, day before yesterday, I think there was some kind of inspection organized by the KHADC somewhere near Rani site. That area of differences, which is yet to be visited even by the joint regional committee, both from state government Meghalaya as well as from state government Assam. Without informing the government, they went, in fact, that meeting proposed to be held was only to verify whether that particular place belongs to Jirang Ship or belongs to the Lingdo ship of Soyong. I personally feel the mistake done by the KHADC was, since the boundary of the Hima is still not resolved, I personally feel that this council should not go for inspection. They should have called the meeting within the office itself, discuss, collect all the papers, then ultimately, jointly, not only to Lingdo to the Lingdo ship of Soyong, but you better call even the CM of Noxpung, the CM of Jirang, go for joint inspection. I think that must be the way. But see, with regards to that incident happened, thank God at least from the government side, we clamped that section 144, the previous act. We clamped the section 144, otherwise it would have been a different story altogether. Then right now everything is under control. Everything is under control, and even that person picked up by the police has been returned back to his place. That the talk is on. Who said that there is no talk? In the level of the district deputy commissioner, in the level of SP, and even in the level of the ADM revenue, talk is there. But it is not the political talk. It is the official talk to maintain peace and tranquility. That is there, be it in the block 1, be it the block 2, or be it in the entire state of Meghalaya. We have directed that way, and then even chief minister meeting, same thing, chief secretary meeting. That was a clear direction given by both the state. That's why now, whatever stray incident happened, immediately it was resolved and ultimately it was under control.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la īakynad bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jingmantoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia Kan nutrition bakam bhak, ka jing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.